This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Great one-level home. 1,668 square feet. 3 beds, 1.5 baths. Good size kitchen, extra family room plus a sunroom that is heated and cooled. There is a carport and a detached garage plus a shed for storage or workshop in back. Yard is .40, level and spacious. Fenced in with a double gate to get back to the detached garage. Newer roof, windows. Electrical has been upgraded with newer electrical box within past 3 years. Link security system installed and will convey with the sale. Refrigerator conveys. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Parsons at 865